My name is Stephen McCormick with the Made New Again Company. We are here in Friendswood today doing some carpet cleaning, some specialty marble anti-etch coating work, and some tile and grout cleaning. Made New Again, we're a locally family-owned business that specializes in hard surface restoration, carpet cleaning, and we also do mold remediation and mold testing work. The biggest thing for professional cleaning versus what you can do with your vacuum is just the amount of soil load that we can pull out of the floors. Carpets, for example, you'd have to vacuum your carpets for days to pull out the amount of vacuum pull that our rigs have.
So we bought the house in 2011. So I think when it got to about 5 years, my wife started saying it's taking a lot to maintain the house. We should really start looking at an annual service. So we hadn't had one up until that point because it was a new house. And so we found a reference for Made New Again, and we hired him to come out and kind of look at our flooring, look at the countertops, look at the bathrooms, and it made a huge difference. I mean, the first year, once we did all the work, there was less upkeep to do, certainly, and so it made our life much easier.
We go to extra lengths to ensure that we are not damaging your baseboards or your corners of your walls. We will put down corner guards to keep our hoses off of the walls. We will use tie straps to keep our hoses from sliding downstairs. We put walk mats down if we're crossing across hardwood floors to prevent damage to your hardwood floors. We treat your home or business like it was our own home or business. Our mission and goal is to make sure that your floors look and feel like they were first installed when the home was first built or the floors were freshly installed. We want you to feel comfortable living on your floors, playing on your floors, rolling on your floors.
It feels great to have fresh, clean carpets. And yeah, we'd have a lot of spills on the carpets, and that was never fun. But now that we have that annual cleaning service, we don't have to worry as much because we know Stephen and his team will take care of it. So it makes it much nicer and easier.
If you're ready to have your floors look new again, call us today. We'd love to speak with you and treat your home just like it was ours.